Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Mr. Bookman, and I will be reading 10 Little Squirrels by Bill Martin Jr. and Michael Sampson, and illustrated by Nathalie Beauvois. Please enjoy. Ten Little Squirrels. Ten little squirrels played in a tree. The first one said, "Look what I see." The second one said, "A man with a dog." The third one said, "Jump behind that log." The fourth one said, "No, let's hide in the shade." The fifth one said, "I'm not afraid." The sixth one said, "Don't make a sound." The seventh one said, "They're looking all around." The eighth one said, "Let's run to our nest." The ninth one said, "No, staying here is the best." Then the 10th one sneezed. Kerchoo. "Bow wow," barked the dog. "Time for some fun." And 10 little squirrels off they did run. Looks like the dog went chasing after the squirrels. Yeah, how many of you got squirrels where you live? Well, let me know with a thumbs up if you got squirrels where you live. Now, where I live, we don't have any squirrels around here. I haven't seen any. Where I used to live, we had squirrels in the backyard, but where I live, I don't see very much squirrels running around and stuff. Kind of weird. But yeah, let me know if you got squirrels where you live. Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this book reading, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up and share it. And if you're new and you came along this book reading, hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other book readings I got. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a good one, everybody, and take care.